Hi friends, Amazon just sent me this binding machine to share with you. The first thing that I love about this machine is that you just have to put out of the box and it's ready to use. You just have to install this little accessory that feels so flexible and easy to manipulate. You have all these marks here to make sure the number of holes that you need in your papers. And another great thing is that you can use a different sizes of paper. You can use A4, A5, A6, and B5, and you just have to move this little part to adjust the size in the machine. So let's go make some holes. You have this part too that is to put all the trash that came when you finish to use your binding machine. So let's go use this cartoon that came with machine, and let's go use it in the free size that is A5. Look, it's ready. You have all your holes make it. Or I'm gonna adjust to A4. And see the difference. Now the next size, that is B5. Look, as you can see, this process is so easy. And another thing that I love is that you can finish your work so fast because the last one is A6, because you can make holes in 20 papers at the same time. Look, A6. So to show you that, I'm gonna put the size again in A4. And we have here 20 pieces of paper. I'm gonna put all of them in our binding machine. I'm ready. So this is great for your office, for your work, and for your home. I highly recommend it. See you.